Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Also be aware because you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you will have to do it right after entering the Play Store or through the settings. We've got a separate tutorial of how to do it. Let me just quickly enter the password and we will be able to start. Okay, here I am again. So this is what we will see after entering the Play Store. Now all we have to do is to tap on the circle, which is our account. So just tap on it and then go to My Apps and Games. Here we've got this updates available section or update section. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the list of all updates pending, and it depends what you would like to do. You can either update all, so just tap on the switcher or button at the top, and your device will download all available updates and all of them will be applied in your device. Or you can simply do it manually one by one, and you can decide what kind of updates you'd like to download. So for example, let me download Instagram and Facebook. And as you can see, now the device is downloading only those updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically, of course, updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.